friends, this is Shaz and welcome back to the Ministry of Reviews. So in this video today I will be testing this very nice and compact wireless Android auto adapter from cheerdriving. This is the new product. The best thing about this is the size. It's such a small and compact design. Now this is ideal for people who've got a wired Android auto connection in their car. Now they can just simply use this adapter to convert the wired Android auto to wireless Android auto. So let's first do the unboxing to check out the contents of the box, and then we will start testing this in my car. So keep watching, guys. Alright friends, so now let's do the unboxing of this cheerdriving wireless Android auto adapter model JCCP Z1A. Now comes in a very plain black box. Let's open it. So you get the user manual, a standard user manual to help you connect the mobile with the car, or the device with the car as well. And then you have the device here. You also get a couple of cables. So you get a type C to type C cable, and then you get a type C to type A cable. Depending on the connection in your car, you'll have to use one of these. So that's standard. Now looking at the device itself, there isn't much in the box. Now this is a white color device. It's very small. As you can see, it's a very small squarish design. In fact, you can hide this in your car anywhere. It's such a small device, and very lightweight. It's plastic body. You've got the name of the company mentioned on top here. Now, nothing much. It's just one connection for the cable that connects with your car, and that's it. All right, guys, so that was it. Let me take this out to my car, connect it with my Samsung mobile, and then we start testing the functions and features of this wireless Android auto adapter from cheerdriving. Keep watching, guys. All right, friends, so I'm in my car and I've got this cheerdriving wireless Android auto adapter with me. Now I will connect it with the cable and with my car. Right, so I've connected that. The next step is actually go to your Android mobile on your Bluetooth. Just look for a new device. So we scan it, look for a new device. All right, so it's called AI Box BT. So we pair it, and then in a few seconds it will automatically detect the connection with your phone and take us to the home page of Android Auto. All right. All right, friends, so this is the home page of Android Auto. Now this is the landing page. Now as soon as you connect your mobile with your device here through Bluetooth, it takes you to this landing page. You get to see the map on the left side. You've got media here. You've got some important icons for the applications appearing here as well. And then you've got voice assistant as well. If you click on these dots at the bottom left, it takes you to the full view of all the applications that are available for you on this Android Auto system. Now, one thing you need to keep in mind that only applications that are compatible with Android Auto would appear here. There are applications like like video streaming, YouTube, Netflix, Instagram, Facebook, or even TikTok. All these applications that has any visual kind of layout would not appear here because those are not compatible with the Android Auto system. You have WhatsApp here, but you can only listen to your music, to your messages, or send messages. You've got settings here. Now you can go and play around with the look and feel of this. You can add a wallpaper. You can change the icons and so on. You can change the way it is appearing in terms of how you read messages. You have day and night mode as well. So these are all the standard settings that are available in Android Auto. If you want to know more about how to use Android Auto, I would suggest you go and watch my other videos. But I just wanted to test this device in my car to see if it is working fine, if the functions are fine as well. So for example, actually you can click on the map and see a full screen view of the map. You can go and in fact use the voice assistant here to select to search for locations, or you can just use your touch screen and then, for example, pick up a location and takes you there. Now this is actually connected with your mobile, so it is using your mobile's data. and there's basically nothing on this adapter itself. It's directly connected with your cell phone. Now, one thing you need to keep in mind is that this adapter only works in cars that has the wired CarPlay or the Android Auto functionality like mine. So if your car doesn't have the wired Android Auto functionality today, this adapter will not work. Now, this adapter simply converts the wired Android Auto to wireless. So you don't have to actually connect a cable with your mobile all the time to get to the Android Auto. All right, so as I said, the map is fine. You can actually make phone calls. Now you can use voice assistant as well. You can use a touch screen. You can use the steering wheel controls, which is quite nice to control the volume or other things. And then, as I said earlier, only those apps that are compatible can be used here. So you've got WhatsApp, and there's no new messages. If there are new messages, you get a chance to actually listen to those messages. And then again, lots of other applications here as well. Again, as I said, I don't want to take you through everything about Android Auto. There are lots of videos online that tells you how to use, what are the functionality of Android Auto, and I'm sure you have a wired Android Auto connection already and you know how to use that. But the whole idea about this particular adapter is converting a wired CarPlay or the wired Android Auto to wireless. All right, so that's it, guys. I wanted to share this small adapter with you, especially for Android users. This is Android Auto wireless adapter only. It doesn't support iPhone. So the best thing for me about this adapter is definitely the size. It is so small and compact. I will put it next to the gear here. It doesn't show to anyone. I've got a small cable as well, so I really like the size. You can hide it anywhere in your car. Other than that, it is a standard Android Auto wireless adapter, so nothing special about that. It works fine. It connects, probably takes about 20 seconds to connect. Now what I would do is see if we switch on the car, how long does it take to get to the main Android Auto homepage. All right, so I've switched on the timer, the stopwatch on my mobile. What I will do now is unplug the adapter and then plug it back in, and then we will time the connection speed. All right. All right, so about 25 seconds. Reconnects in 25 seconds. That's quite decent. All right, guys, so this was a very quick review of this cheerdriving wireless Android Auto adapter. I highly recommend this to anyone, any Android user who has a wired Android Auto connection in the car. This is a very, very affordable, excellent small size, very compact design. So guys, if you're interested, just go to the link in the description of this video that takes you directly to the official store of cheerdriving, where you can buy this very nice and compact wireless Android Auto adapter.